day 4 or 5 maybe. Why not go for a run? I'll be running from Chippenham, where I am staying, to Corsham. So let's go! Is here. All right. Good morning. I might want to add that it's freezing cold here early morning, so I can't afford to stop running. Okay guys, I've been running for like the past 45 minutes and I've reached my destination. I've reached Corsham and currently I'm walking just beside a huge farm with lots of sheep, and I'm going to show you just that in a moment, because as you can see there's a wall here and you can't really see from here. I'm not sure if you guys can spot the sheep. I'm gonna try and zoom in. There are cows out there as well. The place is so huge, I've decided to put up my drone. Alright guys, I've reached home now. Needless to say, I'm dog tired. But that was a fun experience. That was really cool, man. I mean, I love running, so I really enjoyed that run. See you in my next one, guys.